Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send money from Cash App to Venmo in 2025. With the latest updates, transferring funds has become even smoother, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently and quickly. Whether you're splitting a dinner bill or sending cash to a friend, this guide is perfect for you. First off, make sure both your Cash App and Venmo apps are fully updated to the 2025 versions. This ensures you have access to the newest features and security enhancements. Open your Cash App and log in securely. Head over to the Money tab, where you'll see your balance. Tap on Cash Out and select the amount you want to transfer to your linked bank account. Choose your preferred speed, standard or instant, and confirm the transaction. Remember, instant transfers might have a small fee, so keep an eye on that. Once the funds are in your bank account, which could take a few minutes to a day depending on your bank, open the Venmo app. Log in and go to the Manage Balance section. Here, select Add Money and Link or select your bank account. Enter the exact amount you transferred from Cash App, review the details, and hit Confirm. Venmo will process the deposit, and you'll see the funds in your Venmo balance shortly. In 2025, some users might have direct integration options between apps, but using your bank as a bridge is the most reliable method for now. Always double-check recipient info and transaction details to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip: monitor for any fees from either app or your bank to keep costs low. And there you have it. That's how you send money from Cash App to Venmo. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money management tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.